How to make Aloo Tikki. Ingredients: 3 large boiled potatoes, coriander leaves, also known as cilantro, 2 to 3 green chilies, red chili powder to taste, optional, Asafoetida powder, available in Asian grocery stores, oil for frying, 1 tablespoon salt. How to make it: 1. Boil the potatoes. Peel and mash them while they are warm. 2. Chop the green chilies and coriander leaves. Add the chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, salt, a pinch of asafoetida and red chili powder to the mashed potatoes. Mix it well together. 3. Take a small amount from the mashed potatoes, dividing them. Make them into a round shape and flatten them. They are now potato, aloo, tikkis. If you want, you can also make a paste of all-purpose flour and wrap a thin coating around the tikkis so that they don't fall apart while frying. Optional. 4. Take a frying pan and add oil to it. Fry the potato tikkis in the oil. Wait till each one turns golden brown in color. 5. Separate the aloo tikkis from the frying pan onto a plate. The aloo tikki is ready to serve. You can serve the tikkis with chutney also.